I'm Eliza, and this is my sister. What's your name? Brielle. Her name's Brielle. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder because it's good to recycle, and you can have lots of fun using recycling things. I like the purple you're using, Brielle. Thank you. Green, green, green. My favorite animals are a panda and cheetah. This is Spot, and this is Strawberry. I had them ever since I was 4. My sister is 3 and I'm 7. Hi, Eliza. I love you. Yeah. It looks so beautiful, Brielle. Thanks. I'm just happy doing this. Because it doesn't really matter what we do, it just matters who we do it with. I'm going to put some little polka dots. For real polka dots. Here, boy. We're painting a pink river dolphin. They're my favorite type of dolphin. Always have to make sure you have adult supervision so you stay safe. There's a little splash here and a little splash there. Ta-da! It's all pink. Now we have to wait for it to dry. Oh, and here's a fun fact about river dolphins. River dolphins does live in rivers. They also live in, some of them live in oceans sometimes. Bye!